What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asian Diaries. We receive a request to check out another performance of our bunso, Ruel Carino, para sa kanta ni Frank Sinatra na Let Me Try Again. So I'm so excited for this kasi first time kong mapapakinggan ang Let Me Try Again, and it's a Frank Sinatra song, a classic, an icon, at syempre bagay na bagay ito sa boses ng ating bunsong si Ruel. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. And mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC. Ay, ito nga sa birthday party ni Mr. Onze. Wow. Grabe ang hug. Who would have thought he's just 15 years old? Such an old soul. Oh my God, ang ganda ng escalation. Parang familiar ako sa song, but I didn't know that the title is Let Me Try Again. Iba ang escalation at nakaupo pa ang Ruel, guys. Balikan nga natin. Listen to this escalation. Such an orgasm. So very comfortable siya, no? Yung pala yun. Diba ang soft tone ni Ruel dito? Bagay na bagay. Wow! Iba ang switching sa kayong placement ng vocal ni Ruel, no? Very comfortable na kinakanta niya to, even the escalation and the switching. Very smooth ang transition. Wow, grabe. Bagay na bagay sa boses ni Ruel, guys. Saka ang styling ng Ruel. Look at the outfit, guys. Diba, ang ganda ng dynamics ng vocal niya sa song na to. Sarap pakinggan. Saka yung storytelling, no? Yung conviction, how he pronounced the lyrics, kapag kinakanta niya, nararamdaman, and very, very orgasm ang dating. Iba ang vibrato. Hey! Grabe yung charm. Hindi na alam kung uupo o tatayo. Tataas siya pa kaya? Wow! Grabe! Parang hindi galing sa sakit ang ating bunso kasi give, this performance is giving concert feels, guys. Parang kung hindi siya birthday party na nagpe-perform ka lang, he is all out in his performance. Let's go back to that, guys. Wow, ang grabe. Wow. Wow. Sustained. Amazing. There you have it, guys. That is our Bunso Ruel Carino singing Let Me Try Again by Frank Sinatra. Tama ba, Frank Sinatra ba, guys? If I remember it correctly, yun yung nasa request. Grabe, iba naman pala talaga ang performance ito ni Ruel ng Let Me Try Again. First of all, bagay na bagay sa boses at pitch ni Ruel yung song. Second, he's so at ease in doing the performance na nakaupo. Very laid back, but the performance and the vocal, grabe, such an orgasm. The soft tone, the dynamics, yung switching, very at ease siyang gawin. Kaya naman sobrang smooth ng performance. Grabe yon. The sustained notes, yung high notes, iba ang ating Bunso. Parang hindi siya galing sa sakit, guys. At nakita niyo naman, he really have that golden voice na old soul, no? Bagay na bagay sa kanya mga ganitong classic. At sana he do like an album cover, no, ng mga classics na talaga namang for sure everybody will fall in love once more to Ruel. Who would have thought na he's just only 15 years old, guys, but his talent is really, really amazing. So definitely he will go a long way. Perfect. And thank you so much for requesting this. I really enjoyed watching it. And once again, I was so amazed by Ruel. And what can you say about this performance, guys? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.